Hey everyone! In this video, we will learn how to get Cpanel Whm on Almalinux 9. First, log into your server via SSH as a root user. Now, update Almalinux 9 with dnf update-y to ensure all packages are up to date. Then, set a hostname for your server as shown on the screen. Disable SELinux by editing the code on the screen and setting SELinux disabled. Next, install required dependencies with dnf install perl-curl-y. After that, download the cpanel installer using the on-screen command. Run the cpanel installer with the sh latest or bash latest. Wait for the installation to complete. Access whm via your-server-ip:2087, complete the setup and enter your cpanel license. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.